happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this brand new floor plan from Grand Design. This is a 2024 Grand Design Solitude 370DV. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. And if you're feeling a little crazy and you want to hop on over to our Google reviews and leave us a wonderful review and maybe even mention my name, that would be great. Now, let's get started. There's a couple nice 2024 upgrades to this Solitude, and one of them is up in the front. This battery storage area right here has a huge door on it. This is way bigger than any of the other models. It is massive. You have extra storage in there, and that does hook up right here. So you're gonna have plenty of room to move around in there when you're hooking up your battery or doing other stuff up front. Now, moving on to our entertainment side, we do have two awnings up here. You can see this one awning is massive, and it does cover that entryway door. Our other awning is on our slide right there, and this specific model does have slide toppers. Slide toppers just kind of make your slides last a little bit longer, keep it protected from all the weather, so that's really nice to have. We also have indoor-outdoor speaker system, lots of storage out here, and another upgrade is that grab handle walking into the entryway. That's an upgraded grab handle, kind of just a bigger safety precaution, so anybody with mobility issues, they're not gonna have any trouble walking in. Now, let's check out all that storage. This Solitude has a massive pass-through storage space up front. You can see that I'm sitting down here and I have plenty of room, so it truly is very large down here. Over on my side, we do have an electrical outlet, an extra light, and you also have your road vac system. We do have an LED strip in here, so it's keeping things nice and bright. We also do have an easy to clean out floor, so if things get a little bit dirty from being outside, you can very easily wipe this floor down. And it is a gripped surface, so when you're going down the road, nothing's gonna be rolling around in here. It is going to stay nice and intact on the floor. Over on your side, we do have an upgrade. We have a new Titan leveling system, very nice. And we also do have a convenience bay with all your hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, over on my left-hand side is our entryway, and we do have a 2024 upgrade here. Right here is our Lippert screen defender. So this is kind of another safety precaution if you have some kids or some dogs, maybe even a cat, running around in here and you want just that screen door open, and they do run into that. There's no chance that they're gonna fall through because it is super reinforced. Or if your dogs are scratching at it because they wanna go outside, that is gonna protect your door because it is metal and it's super reinforced, like I said, so you don't have to worry about your door getting hurt. We also do have up here is our control panel. This is where you're gonna control all your lights, your awnings, and your slide. And you actually do have a little bit of storage up top as well. We also do have a little bit of added storage right here. It does have a hanging bar in it, so it is nice to hang up your coats, purses, different things that you wanna grab right when you're going out your door. You also do have a little bit more storage right here. This is the same that you can access right here, so let's come around here and check it out. Right across from our entryway is this hutch area. You can open this up and you do have plenty of storage in here, and this can be accessed from that side door that I showed you guys a minute ago. Lots of storage, great to just throw some extra things in, or if you want to have some coffee, maybe some dishes, you do have plenty of room. We also do have this open area down here. You can kind of use this as your junk drawer area, throw your keys, phone, different items right there. We also do have some countertop space with an electrical outlet down here, so if you want to plug in your phones or have a coffee machine right here, you can plug that in. A little bit more storage underneath. We have a couple of drawers and a couple of cabinets with different things that you can put in there. And another thing I didn't show you guys, on the side over here, you can access your road vac. So cool thing about that, if you're sweeping in here, you can easily turn that on, kick that dust in there, and it does go down to the bottom where I showed you guys, where you can clean that out. And it's a nice little thing to help keep it clean in here. Right beside of our hutch is our pantry. You can see this pantry is absolutely massive. You're gonna be able to fit all of your groceries in there. And if you can see that Travelify in there, that's something different Grand Design's been doing. It's kind of a pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi system. If you want more information on that, ask your salesman. They can give you all those details. Over here, we do have a glass front refrigerator. What's super nice about this is it's less easy to be dented. If you're accidentally moving some luggage, a box or something, and you hit that, it's not gonna dent as much as a metal fridge would. And it is super just aesthetically pleasing, very nice. You open this up and you have tons of refrigerator space, you guys. This is nicer than the one I have in my house. This is so nice. And you do have 2 freezer drawers underneath. So if you want to take lots of frozen foods with you or just some ice cream, different items, you're going to have plenty of storage capabilities there. And they've even thrown in a little ice tray if you need it. And down below that, we actually do have a couple drawers. So if you want to store some different things, or if you want to have your dog eat in the kitchen with you, they have added these bowls in here. This is a nice new upgrade. They do come out, so if you need to rinse them off or you need to fill it up with water for your furry friend, you can easily do that. Moving on over here a little bit, we do have even more stuff in this kitchen. You can see it is gorgeous. We have lots of storage, some on the side, some above our microwave up here. This is a spice drawer up here, so you can easily pull this down, and it does come at a slant, so you can stack all your spices in there. So while you're cooking, you need to just reach up and grab something. It is super easy to access. Underneath that, you do have your microwave, and below that, we have our 4-burner stovetop. Sometimes we have people ask about that. This one is a 4-burner, and it's gas, super nice. You have a massive oven underneath that with lots of countertop space. We even do have an electrical outlet over here and on the other side. So if you want an air fryer, maybe a blender, or just want to plug your phone in while you're cooking, you can do that. We have some more storage on this side with 3 drawers. I like this. Keeps everything kind of nice and neat over here. And on the other side, we have some designated storage. This opens up and you have 2 very nice sized garbage cans in here, so you don't have to worry about putting your garbage in your pantry or over on the other side of the room. You can contain it all right here and it'll be out of the way. So that's super nice. But my favorite part of the kitchen might be the island, so let's check out everything that's on here. Starting up at the top, we do have this gorgeous light feature. I love that. It makes your camper really just feel at home in here. Kind of just spruces it up a little bit. Down below is my favorite part. We do have our island. You can see just how much countertop space you have in here. So the Super Bowl's coming up. If you want to have a Super Bowl party, you have lots of room to set out all of your dips and other items. Right in the center is our smart sink. This is super nice. We have this unit winterized, so you can tell that we can't really do a lot with the sink, but it does have a retractable sink nozzle on here. It has a little spot to wash your dishes. This is super cool. I wish I could show you guys. You just set your glass on there, the water shoots up and cleans that super easily. We have a soap dispenser. You even do have a cutting board. And right here is a waterfall spout. So you turn that on and the water just spews right out of there. It looks so cool and it easily cleans your dishes. They've also given you a drying rack over here and just some removable pans to make dishwashing or cooking super easy. And another cool thing about this island, it actually is dishwasher prepped. So if you purchase this and you do want to add in a dishwasher, just ask your salesman about that, because they can set that up for you. And that's something nice to have if you don't want to deal with washing all your dishes. But let's check out the rest. We do have some drawers over here for our silverware and other items. We have some storage underneath for all of our cleaning supplies. And we do have 2 electrical outlets here as well if you do need to plug some things up on your island. We have another drawer over here. This isn't really a drawer, but it does come down. A perfect area for you to put some sponges, different smaller things. And you have a couple more cabinets right here just for some extra items like your pots and pans or whatever you want in your kitchen area. So I know you guys love this kitchen, but let's move over here and check out where we're gonna eat our dinner from. In our opposite side, we do have our dinette. Some of the other DV models might have a hybrid desk dinette, but in our specific model, we just have our standalone dinette. This comes with 4 chairs, lots of elbow room so you can eat dinner as a family, and you have plenty of windows over here so you can see all those gorgeous views while you're eating. Also in our side over here, we do have our theater seats. These have a couple of controls on them that do kick the seats or the feet out, so if you want to sit down and relax and have your feet up, you can easily do that from right on both sides. We also do have a USB port so you can plug in your phone, and you have this nice little piece right here so you can set a drink right here, phone, remote, kind of anything you want. And sometimes people worry about seats that do kick their feet out if you're going to hit this window behind you. Don't worry about it. These are made specifically for campers, so you don't have to worry about that at all. We also do have a couple windows back here, as you can see, so you're gonna see all those views. Now, let's check out the rest of our living room. In our living area, we do have another couch, and this couch actually does double as a sleeping space. It's a rollover sofa, so if some extra guests at the campground need a place to sleep, you can easily move this out, and it is a bed. We have lots of storage up above if you want to have extra blankets in here, some board games, or if your extra guests need a place for all their luggage, you can easily store that up here. We do have some windows surrounding us, and you have some nice light features in here as well. On both sides of our couch, we do have electrical outlets so you can plug in your laptop, and this is a 2024 upgrade. On both sides, these little tabletops do move out, and you have some hidden storage back there. So if you do want to put some remotes, maybe some video games, or if you want to plug in your phone, you do have 2 USB ports back here as well. Now, let's check out our TV area. Right beside of our sofa and right next to our island is our entertainment center. We do have some storage up above. You can put plenty of video games or other items in here. And over on the left-hand side, we do have our indoor-outdoor speaker system, a USB port, and some other storage up top. Down below, we have lots of countertop space and another 2024 upgrade. This is just a nice little aesthetic storage part. You open this up and you do have lots of storage in there. So if you just want some extra items hidden away in there, nobody would even know. Down below that, we do have our fireplace. This works as both a heat setting or it works as a light setting. So if it's kind of a colder winter month and you do want some heat from that, you can crank it up. Or if you just want to have it as a light, you can easily do that as well. And I know you're thinking, this is our entertainment center. Where's our TV? It's actually on a televator. So let me show you guys that really quick. And with just a press of a button up here, your TV does rise up. It's on its very own elevator. It's super cool. And if you're not watching any TV and you do want it down and you want to use this as kind of a decorative spot, you have free range, whatever you want to do. It's really up to you. Now, check out our bathroom. In your hallway, you do have this gorgeous bathroom with tons of mirror room in here. So if you have a bunch of people getting ready, you're gonna have plenty of space. We have this massive mirror and we have 2 mirror frame cabinets on both sides. This is a great area to throw all of your toiletries in, your toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, anything you want, because you do have 2 sinks in here. We also have electrical outlets on both sides. So if you do have a nice power toothbrush you wanna plug in, or an electric shaver, hairstyling tools, any of that, you do have room, and you have lots of countertop space to set it on. Down below, we do have a very nice amount of storage. Under both sinks, we have this massive storage space. You can throw a trash can in there, or if you want to stack up all your toilet paper or put some cleaning supplies, you have the room for that. We also have 3 drawers right in the middle for extra space, and look, they've even given you a toilet paper holder. How nice. You do have to install it yourself though, but that's not too bad. Over behind me, we do have our step to flush toilet. Right above that, we do have a little hanging area for some towels or a robe. And right in the middle, the main part of the bathroom is our shower. I'm gonna step in here and show you guys just how big this shower is. I love the lighting up here. That is new, just keeps it a little bit brighter in here. Over on this side, we do have a very nice shower head. You have 1, 2, 3, and a detachable shower head in here. They've also given you some little shelves right here for all of your soap. We also have a seat over here. It is a wooden seat. It is very nice, very high quality, and this is a very deep shower. So you can see I'm standing all the way in here. I have lots of room, so all the water is not going to splash out into your floor. And we even do have even more storage in here right over beside of our shower. This opens up. This is a great place to stack all of your towels, washcloths, anything you want right next to your shower. Now, let's check out the bedroom. In the very front of your Solitude, you do have your very nice bedroom. In here, we have opted to go with the king size bed. It's massive, it's super comfy, and you have plenty of windows surrounding it. So if you do want to have those gorgeous views while you're in your bedroom, you can see out those windows. We also have this nice headboard back here. Kind of just makes it a little bit more homey in here. You do have an electrical outlet and a USB over here on this side as well on the other side, and a 2024 upgrade in here. You can see on both sides of the bed, you do have this small little bedside table. This is great to throw your reading glasses on, or your book, or a glass of water. And there's a couple shelves built into it as well, so if you do want to have some stuff right by your bed, you can do that. We also have a super nice closet in here. It is a mirror front closet. You can kind of see me right here. It does close all the way. And you have plenty of space in here for all of your clothes. You can stack your shoes back here, your purses, anything you really want. You also do have a shelf up here for more items, and you have a hanging bar so you can hang up all of your clothes and they're not going to get wrinkled. We also do have another closet over here. This opens up and you have some shelves in here, a hanging bar if you do want to use it to hang up more clothes, or it also is washer dryer prepped. So if you do want to add a washer and dryer in here, if you're going for a long week, you need to wash all your clothes, you can do that. You have a couple electrical outlets in there, another one right here, and you have even more space for all of your clothes. We do have a TV in here, a window underneath that. You have 3 drawers on both sides for all your socks and your underwear, and there's actually a secret storage space. This top moves back and you have this nice felt in here. I would use this to put all my nice jewelry in, or if you have some other items you just want to hide away, or if you just need some extra space and you want to throw some junk back there, kind of whatever you want, you can easily store it in there. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.